Hi everyone, Nikki at MCM-WaterTreatment. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about the filter for your water heater systems. So, what is a water heater filter? Precisely speaking, it's not a filter, it's a protector. What we are trying to do is protect your water heater from scale. Scale is probably the biggest destroyer to your water heater. So these are really anti-scale products.
Our scale inhibitors slowly dissolves releases when the water runs through the filters, so the hardness don't scale up on the heating element.
This is our water heater filter, F2. Let's open it. Inlet, outlet. Before installing it, you can set the month and the product. Set the month number on the product, so it can remind you when you need to refill the water filter. How do you refill the water heater filter? Open it, take out this filter. This is a new one. Just install the new one and close it.